Hello and welcome to another update video about Link. Link continues to go down a little bit, and we already saw that potential yesterday in my last video, which I recorded also quite late yesterday actually. But also in yesterday's update, it was already, let's say, visible at least, yeah, or we could assume it at least, that this C wave to the downside has started. Let me explain first the microstructure here from the 13th of April low for you. Bear in mind that in March, the assumption is that in March, a 5-wave pattern to the upside completed in what we call a wave 1. This is typically the indication that a larger pullback is unfolding that should reach this standard support zone. Well, it was reached, it's been reached, and therefore, from here, we've been watching for some upside, either from here or from the next fib level. But the price did hold the 38.2 fib level. So the idea is currently that in the white count, there are two scenarios, okay? Two scenarios. We can look at possibly higher prices, yeah, as long as certain support levels are holding. Because we had a bit of a breakout there. Had a bit of a breakout above the trend line here, and above what I've labeled here as wave 1 high in white. So in the white count, this is wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 to the downside. Then the third wave to the upside is likely unfolding. Well, maybe it is completed. I can tell you that, as per the last updates as well, the minimum requirements for this rally are complete. So we had a wave A to the upside, a B wave to the downside, and then 5 waves up in wave C. Bear in mind that the idea is that this third wave to the upside is an ABC structure, because the wave 1 is also an ABC structure. So we're really looking for a diagonal pattern here. Wave 1 up, wave 2 down, wave 3 up, wave 4 would be next. And then a wave 5 to the upside here actually to possibly $20. The main question on this chart at the moment is the third wave over or not? And what we can do is identify relevant fib levels. And if we look at the length of the wave 1 and compare that with a possible length of the third wave, then as per previous updates, the ideal target, the first ideal target is the is the 1.38 extension. And yeah, I mean, that was reached, right? So it's possible that this third is over. It couldn't really sustain above that level at $18.52. The next upside level is at $19.83. That's the $20 level, pretty much around about $20, yeah. And it's the 1.618 extension. And yeah, I mean, if we break above the weekend high, so basically above $18.70, it would suggest another extension. It would suggest that the third wave is still unfolding, but because we have fulfilled structurally the requirements, Fibonacci-wise the requirements for this third wave, and because this pullback broke below the previous lows and this red line, I am currently watching primarily for the start of the fourth wave. So this could be an A wave down, B wave up. It's just that the downside momentum is not strong enough yet. I like to see a break below $17.40 next, and then I think this is a C wave down, and it should hit 16.26 next. That would be ideal. Okay, if we break higher, then we should see one more extension. But main takeaway here is that if we move higher from here, I would not yet call that the fifth wave. So I really need a healthy fourth wave, then the fifth. And then this fifth wave should reach $20.82 at least. Possibly higher. $22 would be the next level above that. And if any deeper pullback occurs from here, the $14.67 level is the relevant support level. That is really the level that must hold. $14.67 in any wave 4 pullback. And from there then, the fifth wave can start. If $14.67 is broken to the downside, then the yellow count comes into play. It would indicate that this entire wave 2 that presumably bottomed on the 13th of April, the evidence is thin that it bottomed. Okay, we need further evidence. We need the 5 waves up, but it's currently, I'm working on that assumption. And well, if that wave 2 is then still unfolding and this alternative yellow count But it takes a break below support to confirm that, and then it should take us down to 1068 or 950 next. That's my update about Link. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.